Hi, my name is Kian. Today we're going to make 3 weather in a jar experiments. The first weather in a jar experiment is a snowstorm in a jar. For a snowstorm in a jar, you'll need water, baby oil, glitter, jar, white paint, and Alka-Seltzer. First, pour your baby oil 3/4 away in your jar. To mix your paint with water, slowly pour it into your jar. Wow, look at this awesome snowstorm in a jar. The second weather in a jar will be a rain cloud in a jar. You'll need shaving cream, a pipette, a jar, water, and blue liquid watercolors. Fill your jar with water, then leave room for shaving cream, then make a big cloud of shaving cream. Then put your pipette in the blue liquid paint and suck it up. Then make it go deep, but not too deep, then suck it out. Wow, isn't this cool? The water paint comes down as rain. The last weather in a jar experiment is a tornado in a jar. You'll need dish soap, water, glitter, and a jar. First, pour your water just about right here. Next, add a small drop of dish soap, but don't add too much or it'll be too bubbly. And if it's too bubbly, you're not going to be able to see the tornado. Then add glitter, which will make it fun to see it swirl around. The final step is to close the jar very tightly with the lid. Then shake it up and down. Thanks for watching my science video. Hope you like it.